Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Riot Vanguard crashed in Valorant, and in this video I will show a couple of solutions. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you exit Vanguard completely. So on the bottom right corner you should see a little arrow up here. Press show hidden icons and make sure that you exit Vanguard here. Right, and once you do that, then on search you just need to write services, and when you are on this window just tap on one of the tasks here or names, and then basically press V and you should find VGC. So right click on it and then go to properties, and here make sure that startup type is on automatic. And once you do that, then look for service status and press start, right? And then you need to wait for a few seconds, and after you're done, then press OK. And this basically thing should fix crashing Riot Vanguard. But if you still, if the problem still persists, what you need to do here, you need to go to basically settings, apps, and look for Vanguard and uninstall it, right? And when you if you want to install it again, just basically run your Riot client and it will install automatically, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.